Charging for your services. The Aaiyyan World Foundation exists in the spiritual plane, not the material one, so does not charge for any of its services. However, we understand that people do live in the material world, and so must have some compensation for their time. So individual healers and siddhis may charge a reasonable amount for their services to heal and help people. To stop competition between our fellow Aaiyanists, we have devised a standardized compensation method and a cap on charges. Each healing siddhi session should take 1 hour, and here is a table on the maximum amount, cap, you can charge for each session. Aaiyyanist healer, level 1 to 5, 30. Healer level 5 to 9, 50. Acharya, level 10 to 19, 70. Swami level 20 to 30, 90. Guru 40 plus. Not applicable. Aaiyani Master 60 plus. Not applicable. The value of the units depends on where you are. Some guide prices are as follows. 1 unit equals $1, 1 pound, 1 euro, 100 Indian rupees, 200 yen, 10 yuan. Note that these are guide prices only, feel free to use your discretion. You will also notice that the Guru and Aaiyani have no levels, as by that stage they should have the discretion to charge what they think is appropriate. Of course, we would prefer that all Aayyanist healers siddhi would serve the community for free, but we know that may not be possible in all cases. We also do not want everyone to charge any amount they desire, to stop the inflation of Aayyanist services which, in the past, have priced people out who need help. Of course, you are free to charge whatever amount for your services. We do stress that any money you charge, that a small percentage be given to the Aaiyyan World Foundation to help us produce more training material and books, and to help the greater Aayyanist community. Contact us for more information.